Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's start makeup. So first I straight my hairs. Let's do makeup. So first I use Vaseline. It involves vitamin B3 and triple sunscreen. I use primer oil from company Maliao. Next I use Fair and Lovely BB cream. Just a little bit. So I use color corrector. I don't mention the name. The company name is Christine. Now I use concealer. Company name is Pro Conceal. I use BB cream from the company Miss Rose. And I use the shade Fair. You can use the shade according to your face. Now I apply foundation. Emelie Paris company name, and it give a maximum coverage. You can say it full coverage. Now I use concealer liquid in liquid form and same company Miss Rose, and I have two shades, fair and beige too, and the other concealer from Emelie Paris company, and the shade is classic Aubrey. I wet my sponge with water, a little bit of water, so it gives good result. So let's do contouring. So now I contour my nose. Now I apply powder, face powder. So I use Simply Beauty dark brown shade eyebrow powder. I use both shade black and brown. I forget to shape my eyebrows, so I use pencil in black shade. I use a brush to mix it. Okay. So let's do eye makeup. First I use brown shade. Now I use a light brown shade. Same I apply on the other side. I apply black on the corner. I try to make a smoky look. Just one thing we have to keep in mind is that we should blend more and more if we want a good result. Now I use a shade from my palette, Bloom Bright. Any lady. Okay. I use this one. It's a white and silver shade. It's a mixture of. Actually, it's look like gray. I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting me. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Now I use dark brown lipstick pencil, lip pencil to shape my lips. Now I apply lip gloss from the company Huda Beauty in a matte form. I use red lipstick. Now I use gloss. It's actually a shiner. And then I wear earrings. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart.